Learn English with Miss Key. Hello friends. Some words in English may sound or look familiar but have very different meanings. One common confusing pair is affect or effect. And knowing the difference makes your English clearer and stronger. Let's go. The first pair is affect or effect. Let's see the difference. Affect. What is the meaning? The meaning is to change or have an impact on something. It shows an action. Note here the word affect is starting with A. Let's see few examples. The weather can affect our mood. Poor study habits may affect your grades. The movie deeply affected her emotions. Now let's see the word effect. Meaning is result, outcome or the consequences of something. Result of an action. Here effect is starting with E. Few examples are: the medicine had a positive effect on him. Global warming has serious effects on nature. Let's see another pair. Advice versus advice. Difference is of C and S. Let's see the first word advice. It means suggestion, recommendation or guidance. Note here the word advice contains C in it. Few examples are: she gave me good advice on how to study better. Always listen to your parents' advice. Now the word advice, which contain S, meaning recommend, suggest or guide someone on what to do. Doctors advise patients to drink more water. I advise you to take an umbrella. It might rain. Now the next pair is accept versus accept. Let's see what are these words. The first word accept means to agree to take something, to receive or to approve. She happily accepted the gift. He accepted the job offer. Now the word accept, meaning not including, other than. Everyone is invited except Ali. I like all fruits except bananas. Next pair, complement versus complement. The difference is of the alphabet I and E in both the words. Complement, where I is used, a polite expression of praise or admiration. She gave me nice compliment about my dress. He complimented the chef on the delicious food. Now the word complement containing E, meaning something that goes well with something else. Like two things complementing each other. The blue scarf complements her outfit. Rice is a perfect complement to curry. The next pair is principal versus principle. The difference is of AL and LE in both the words. Principal, meaning the head of the school, the most important one. Note down the spelling here. The principal gave a speech at the assembly. She spoke to the principal about her problem. Now the word principle. Note the spelling. A basic truth, law, rule or belief that guides the behavior. He is a man of strong principles. Justice is an important principle in society. Next pair is stationery versus stationery. Here the difference is of the alphabets ARY and ERY. Stationary meaning not moving, still fixed in one place. The car remained stationary at the red light. She stood stationary while posing for the photos. The word stationery that contains ERY, meaning paper, pen and other writing or office supplies. I bought new stationery for school. The shop sells all kinds of stationery items for the meeting. Next pair of words is race versus rise. Let's see the meaning and examples. The word raise, meaning to lift, increase or move something upwards. Please raise your hand if you know the answers. They plan to raise money for charity. The word rise, meaning to go up, move forward or to increase by itself. The sun rises in the east. Prices are expected to rise next month. These were the two examples of the word rise. Hope you are clear with the meaning now. The next pair is there versus there. Note down the difference in the spellings of both the words. The word there, meaning belonging to them. That is their car. I visited their house yesterday. The word there refers to a place, position or existence. The book is over there on the table. We went there last summers. So friends, these were just a few confusing words in English, but there are many more that the learners often mix up. Soon I will come with another list of confusing words so as to make English learning easier and more fun. Till then, like, share and subscribe, and bye-bye.